Hello students, welcome to the new video of class 10th mathematics chapter construction. In the previous video we explained how we construct the line segment divide in the given ratio and also how we construct the similar triangle by giving a measurement and the fraction parts. And also in the previous video we explained how we construct the tangent from the point when this point lie on the circle with using center and also without using center. So my last topic is this, construction of tangent without using center. So today in this video we explain the tangent drawn from the external point, and you know that from the external point of a circle, two tangents are drawn. So two tangents drawn from the external points with using center and without using center. Without using center is very rarely come in examination, but we explain all the topics. So now see the first topic of the video. First topic is construction of tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. So for explaining this topic, we take one example. You also ready with the geometrical apparatus and construct with me. Let we take this example. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take a point at a distance of 5.5 cm from the center of the circle, and from the point P draw two tangents to a circle. Means radius of circle 3 cm and the distance of the external point is 5.5 cm from the center of the circle, that is P. We want to construct a tangent. So let's see. So first we draw a rough sketch. A circle of radius 3 cm. External point P, which is 5.5 cm. If you draw a tangent just like this. So first we take the circle. So we take the radius 3 cm. First we draw a circle of radius 3 cm with center O. Then take a point P, which is 5.5 cm away from center. P, radius 3 cm, OP 5.5 cm. Then take OP as a diameter, draw a circle. If OP is diameter, so firstly we want the center. Center is the midpoint of this line segment. So we construct the perpendicular bisector of this. You only need for this midpoint. Then M is the midpoint of OP, and then take M as a center and MO as a radius. And we want only 2 points on the circle of this radius. So first cut here, second cut here. Either you can make a circle just like a dotted figure or a nice straight figure, as always. Mainly we want these 2 points. These 2 points on the circle. This is A point and this is B point. Join PA and PB are the required tangent PA and PB. If the question say verify your result, so you can measure length of PA and PB, and always the length of these tangents are equal, so verified. So measure PA, that is approx 4.6. Here BP is 4.6. So these are same by measurement. Okay, if I say the question say write the step of construction, because this question is very important for the board purpose, means maximum time these types of questions come. So write the step of construction. So step of construction 1, 2, 3. Listen. First step, take radius 3 centimeter and with the use of compass draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Second, draw a line segment OP 5.5 centimeter. This P is external point of the circle. Take OP as a diameter. Third point, take OP as a diameter, draw a circle, and this circle intersect the initial circle at A and B point. Join PA and PB. Thus are required tangent PA and PB. Okay. Let's see the next topic of the tangent from the external point without using center. So for this question we take one, for this topic explaining we take one question. The question is in upside, you have to see, draw a circle with the use of angle, take a point P outside the circle, then construct the pair of tangent from this point. Here radius is not given. If radius is not given, that means you have not used the center of the circle. Many times the directly say draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter, then construct the pair of tangent without using center. If you are not have the angle, you can draw a circle with the use of compass, but don't mark the center. So let's see how we construct this figure without using center. So let's see. I have the angle. So first step, draw a circle with the use of angle. Don't have the center. If you not have the angle, you can construct the circle with the use of compass, but don't mark the center, because this question is without using center. We want to draw a pair of tangent from the external point. So let's see the step. First step, take any P point outside the circle. Suppose we take point here, P. Then join P with the circle with both end. Anywhere you can join and extend to one side. Suppose A, B is the intersecting point of a circle. Then first step, we draw the circle. We have to explain the step by step. You can also write if you want. Draw a circle with the use of angle. Take any point P outside the circle. Then join P with the circle ends as a chord and extend to one side. Third step, take the compass and mark a point of the same length of PB. So you measure PB, you can see. Then move the compass and cut the arc. You get this point C, means PB is equal to PC. Then draw a semicircle with AC. AC को take AC as a diameter, draw a semicircle. So first we find the center is the midpoint of AC. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AC. You know that how we construct the perpendicular bisector? More than half radius. Cut upside, downside. Same process, upside, downside. So these 3 points intersect AC at any point. So this is the midpoint, means AM is equal to MC. Then take M as a center and MA as a radius, draw a semicircle. If M is the midpoint, so the semicircle are meet at A and C both. Then next step, at point P, construct a right angle. You know how we construct the angle 90? Right angle, first 60, second cut, give 120, upcut here, then you join this, you get the angle 90. And the right angle intersect the semicircle at D. So this is the very good. PD is the perpendicular line. This is the length of tangent, PD. So with the use of compass, measure PD. This is the length of tangent from external point P. So with using center P, mark 2 point, 1 point and 2 point. These 2 points are the tangents point. Suppose that X and Y. Join PA, PX and PY. So PX and PY are equal. You can measure it. You know PD is length, so this is the same 4.3 and the 4.3. This is the length of tangent. We again revise the all steps. First step, draw a circle with the use of angle. Second step, take any point P outside the circle. Third step, a line drawn from P to circle as a chord and extend to one side. 4 point, take C as a point on this line, that is PB is equal to PC. Third, draw a semicircle as AC as a diameter. So draw it. So this semicircle meet at AC. Next step, at point P, that is external point, construct a right angle. This right angle intersect the semicircle at D. This PD is the length of tangent. So take PD as a tangent length with center P. Cut two arcs on the circle X and Y. Join PX and PY. That's the required tangent PX and PY. These constructions are the tangent drawn from external point without using center. And this is the with using center. This is very, very important. Okay? I hope so you have to construct with me. Next topic of this chapter, or you can say the last topic, but not a last question from my side. Last topic of the chapter, construction of tangents to a circle when angle between them is given. Means angle between two tangents are given and the question want draw these tangents. So let's see how we construct this. First we take one example, then explain the question. So let's see this question. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Construct a pair of tangent on it so that they are inclined at 60 degree. Measure length of two tangents. Or draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. The both question is same. All in the statements are different of the question. So we have to construct the question. Let's see, and ready with me. You also construct it. So first we draw a rough sketch, and this question is very also important. First thing, this O and tangents of a circle from the external point P. What's a given? Angle between this tangent means this 60 degree angle is given. Angle tangents inclined and the radius is given 5 centimeter. If we join them OB, so for this step, firstly we find the value of this angle. If I say angle AOB plus angle APB is equal to 180 degree, they are supplementary angles. Angle between these two, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. We already proved in the circle chapter. So APB is given 60 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 60, that means 120 degree is the central angle. This is also called the central angle of the circle. This is a coincidence, that is double, but not always double. If the angle P is given 45 degree, so angle this is 135 degree, means this and they are the supplementary angle. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So let's construct this diagram. First we draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Circle. Then take any point A. Means draw any radius, a slant type. Then we want to 120 degree angle at center. So construct the angle 120 degree at this point. First cut 60, second cut 120 degree. join them. We get the second point with angle 120 degree, centered angle. Then you know that tangents make right angle with the radius. So at the end point of the radius, we construct right angle. So at both end, A and B, construct right angle. At A and B both, 60, 120, bisect 60, 120. When we join this, so this is both angle 90-90. They already meet at P. This angle is 60 degree. If you want to verify them, you can verify with the measuring by the protractor, and this angle is equal to 60 degree. So this is also an important topic for the board examination. Means tangent drawn from external point to a circle. First important thing. And second important thing, tangents drawn from external points when the angle between them are given. We explain the step of construction. First step, draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Second step, draw a radius OA anywhere, and then take OA as center, construct angle 120 degree, because you know that the angle 60 degree is given at this point. So these two are the angles, are supplementary angles. So we can find the value of angle AOB by this process, supplementary angles. So we get the angle AOB 120 degree. So we get AO radius at point O. We construct 120 degree. We get the B point. A and B at lie on the center, circle. So when the points lie on circle, so this make right angle with the radius at the point of contact A and B. So at A point and B point, both points, we have to construct right angle, and these right angle intersect at external point P. So these are the construction. Angle between them is 60 degree. Already you can measure it. So I hope so you have to construct them.